Find a comfortable position where you can be completely still. Allow your hands to rest gently and softly close your eyes. Take a slow deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, breathing in and breathing out. With each breath, allow your body to become more relaxed, more peaceful, more present. Now, bring your awareness to the crown of your head and imagine a soft white light beginning to appear there. Gentle, pure, radiant. Picture yourself standing beneath a vast open sky. The air is calm. The world is quiet. Above you, countless stars shimmer in the distance, each one shining with a peaceful, steady light. As you gaze upward, a gentle stream of white-violet light begins to surround you. It touches the crown of your head, warm, soft, and comforting. With every breath, this beautiful light flows gently into you, filling your mind with stillness, your heart with peace, your entire body with quiet presence. There is nothing you need to figure out, nothing you need to become. For this moment, simply allow yourself to receive. Feel yourself connected, connected to the sky above you, connected to the earth beneath you, and connected to the quiet wisdom that has always been within you. Silently repeat, I'm open to wisdom. I trust the quiet guidance within me. I'm connected to something greater than myself. Rest here for a few moments, allowing this gentle light to settle peacefully within you. Now, take one slow deep breath and gently begin to return. Become aware of the room around you. Feel the surface supporting you. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace with you throughout your day. Welcome back.